now I'm going to take the pan off. So, when we first pulled the truck in and drained the fluid, this is what we found in the bottom of the pan. This is clutch material. You can see there's quite a bit of it. It's a sign of damage. Positively identifies that one of the friction elements in the transmission is bad. That's way too much material for the bottom of your transmission pan for a transmission that's working correct. But we expected to find something wrong with it because the truck doesn't move.